My name is Karel Zeman and I'm Senior Manager of the machining plant of company ZLKL. We are a medium-sized manufacturing company located in Czech Republic that produces precise components for automotive and industrial applications. We are convinced by overall solution which is provided by EMAG. With the integrated automation, machines are very fast, very robust, and we think that there is a very good ratio between the money we spend for the machines and the value we get back. The machine have now been in operation for 10 years and there are no major technical problems at all, so I can definitely imagine that we would cooperate again. So thank you to EMAG for now nearly 10 years last cooperation, which is, I think, for both sides very successful.